Happy 4th! I can see daddy legs. Happy 4th! Yeah! Welcome to our channel, and if you are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and enjoyed watching. So ayan.
We need water.
Yeah, we're gonna wait again later.
Water.
Yep.
It's just the like little.
It's hard to get it in there.
Bop, 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 bop. I'm reckless. I'm reckless.
Back up.
Wow. Hi, Nate. I'll give that to you. Where's Clinton?
Hi.
So, ang dilim na dito, guys. Ayan, oh. Clinton boy.
Happy 4th of
We still have more in there,
Yeah,
kuya?
we have a lot more.
Yeah. See? Goodness. Oh. Okay. So that's finale. Okay. I'm ready. Natatakot ako niyan. Oh my God. Oh no! Oh my God. Oh, one more. Ooh. Oh my God.
I mean a 6-year-old. Yeah, it's pretty good.
Let me see, Kuya.
It's not fully roasted.
What are you eating?
A marshmallow from them.
Oh. How about Nathan? Did you eat something,
I
Nate?
was gonna see if they were still there, cause I was gonna say thank you.
Yeah, that's fine.
No,
That Will County Fair, you know, the big fair that we went to.
Yeah?
It's up here.
And there sometimes,
Oh,
right?
that's farther away.
But there's good ones there, right?
Yeah, I guess so.
It's very nice. You can take a video and have fly slide.
They probably sacrifice themselves to celebrate, right?
I don't
Because
think so. I
there's
don't think
rockets,
anyone got sacrificed.
maybe killed them.
No, I hope not.
But
You remember your Uncle Danny? You only met him a couple.
and the colorful ones, from mosquitoes, right?
Right.
Everyone feels safe from mosquitoes, right? Does anyone feel safe?
We'll be fine. Oh.
Well, that's
Ooh. The loud. I like the loud ones.
those diamonds.
I like the ones that go boom.
Wait, did you see that one that goes into the
Yeah,
lesson?
see now they're picking up the pace, Clinton.
That they're picking out too much pace.
I like when they pick up the pace.
Yeah.
Wow.
Wait, it looks like a constellation they're making.
What's that, Kuya?
It looks like a constellation.
We don't get to see the low ones. That's the only problem.
You like it,
So
Nate?
I can still
Yes.
see them.
Yeah, just
Mmm. Very nice, right?
See half of them, right?
What someone did over there?
I'm gonna go closer there.
Now we're good for now. Just watch.
Okay. Later on, excuse my...
No, we'll go
Look
outside. I'll do some more.
Ready again. Oh! There's a man. There's so many stinky ones.
Ooh.
Wait, there was a compound hook one.
Compound hook.
Yeah, compound.
I don't like your hand, Kuya.
I'm doing that so my hands aren't sticky.
No, I don't want you to do that.
Yeah. Want to let them off? Want to use the lighter once? It's amazing, right?
And use the
No,
one.
there's no mosquitoes
Coming,
within
Nate.
the wall up here.
Oh, boy.
Yep, we're not gonna
That's bows and arrows. Maybe it's armors. It's maybe
All the mosquitoes that see this owl
it's
smoke,
bows and arrows.
why just got one for your life? I think the worst holiday for mosquitoes is 4th of July, right?
Yeah.
Seems
Ooh,
cool.
wow.
To
I
go.
can see the movement of the stars. Look, you can see the movement.
go. It's gonna be grand finale.
Did a finale already?
I'm
Probably.
losing weight.
Maybe not.
Oh.
Well, that one was loud. Did you take a video?
Yeah.
So we take a. It's so good, right, guys?
Well, you're talking to the YouTube audience, not me.
I'm also talking to you. It's good, right?
Yeah, it's awesome.
It might look like the grand finale, but it's probably not the grand finale.
It's not even the grand finale.
There'll be a
Look at
long
this
line.
guy. Who drives around when the grand finale might be coming up? Who's driving in the grand finale?
I see at the door.
I didn't want to see it. because it's annoying.
Nah, everybody likes fireworks, man.
Well, that's what feels
The only people that don't like fireworks are like some cats and dogs. Nobody else likes it.
That's awesome.
Oh no.
Wow.
That was a good one, right, Nate?
Yeah, those are galaxies and points, right?
Wow.
Whoa. UFO. Wait, it's green. Look, it's changing colors. Look,
I
it's
like
changing
that.
colors. Do you see that?
That's very nice, Kuya.
It's changing colors, right?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Sleepy already.
I'm not sleeping, right?
Mommy, can we go to
This is gotta be grand
Friend's
finale.
house?
Oh my god. This is intense. Oh,
Life is
No, no.
not.
you can't get more intense than this.
But what it could get more intense if it was 100 at once, right? Whoa,
Oh, that's the best one yet.
yeah. Shooting stars. Wait, I saw another shooting star right there. It burned up. I saw more burning up. They look like rockets burning up,
Mhm.
right? And they're exploding. Dad, I know what NASA and the rockets should do for 4th of July. Guess what? They should set on a rocket so that looks like fireworks. Whoa, fireworks.
Oh,
Yeah.
that was a good one.
Yeah.
That was a good
The
one too.
big
Very
ones
big.
that go
Yeah.
up are the best,
Yeah,
right?
the big ones.
The small ones are
I don't know about those two. Where are they in the sky?
those
Getting
are
better. Let's go higher up.
higher.
That's
That's the highest,
look at that.
right? That one's the highest.
Ooh.
They're doing the highest now, right? Is it getting more intense than last time?
Oh, that was good.
Is it getting more
It's
intense?
what? Oh, look at that. You like it?
Yeah, it's beautiful. It's colors popping out of the sky. Can I tell you what?
Ooh.
Can I tell you what it kind of looks like when they're going up and they're about to explode?
What?
It looks like meteors, but
Oh, look at that. That was the best one.
yeah, that was the best one. It's
It's
so
red, white,
good.
and blue. Oh,
Oh, that's cool, right?
oh.
Oh,
This has got to be the grand finale, right?
yeah. If it can't not be, right?
I think not yet.
Maybe. I kind of thinking that too. I even see like two heads in it. It makes two heads.
See that? Wow, that's 4th of July.
Yeah.
Here we go.
It's better than
Don't look away.
better than last year. No
Wow.
one can say it's not better than last year, right?
Okay.
It's best.
When you get back to school, you can talk to other kids about that. That'd be a good
Very
debate to have.
small.
Oh, this is gonna be good. Well, maybe not. Fireworks, the ones that go high in the sky.
If it's not the was just one
Ooh, getting more excited.
right?
Oh, I think it's over. I think it's over, Clint.
Over?
I think it's over. I think that's it right here. That's it.
Maybe not.
Done.
I don't think so.
Not yet.
I think
See?
it's it, Clinton.
Oh my goodness. Not yet
Are you
done.
watching? Is this awesome?
Yes.
This is the best thing you did today or what?
See, it's not yet done,
Are you
everybody.
bagging candy?
We're done, everybody.
You don't
What's better,
sleepy
fireworks or
already.
bag of candy?
Baby sleepy already.
Oh, good for you. Oh, this is the finale.
Yes.
Oh, look at this.
There's like 10.
Oh, look at this. Amazing, right?
Like a bunch at once.
Mrs. Baxter never lit off fireworks for you. Yeah. Oh.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow.
are you ready to be amazed?
Wow. That's finale in there.
So good.
It's too much.
Too much.
Oh.
Wow. Oh my God, Kuya. Wow.
Oh no.
Give you a
Oh, I hope it's
It's
bad.
over.
That's the best.
Yeah, that's.
All right, I hope that was it because I'm
Wait, there was a bacon.
I think that's over.
yeah, that's it, Clinton.
Maybe.
Yeah.
What do you think, Clinton?
I.
That was it.
Is that
It was
over?
So intense.
Wait.
Oh no! Oh no!
How? I do it.
Okay, so I think this is the finale right
This
there.
gotta be the finale, right? At first it was like a fake finale. Now it's the real finale.
There's original finale.
Look what this guy doing over here. Oh,
Yeah, that's finale.
Oh my! Wow, look at that clip. You know you're looking at it. That's
Wow. Oh.
wow. That's amazing.
Wow.
This has gotta be the
Yay. Happy 4th. Wow, Kuya, look at
Maybe we
that.
should start a USA chant.
Yeah, USA, USA.
Well, I think that's it.
That's it.
That's gotta be it.
Bye. See, next year again.
Let's wait and see.
I think that's it.
I think that's it.
Maybe not.
No, that's gotta be it.
It's done.
Yeah. I think
Yeah,
that's
it's
it.
gone.
Maybe.
Oh my god.
That's it.
I can't breathe.
Daddy, what if the fake finale was just the point?
Oh, over there, look.
Happy,
Happy
4th
Fourth.
of July, everyone.
Next year again.
Yeah, if you had a great time watching the fireworks, then please like and subscribe and click the notification button. Bye.
Bye. Bye, Nate.
Especially for those of you who love fireworks or love explosions or loud sounds.
Mm-hmm.
Bye.
Bye.